Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I went on and bit the bullet and got that Timeless Tote die set from Our Daily Bread. When I first saw it in July, I'm like, no, I don't think I need that. And of course, now I need it. But I just wanted to come real quick and show you guys the pieces, which I'm sure just about, all of you know what it is. This part right here, this says coordinates with the Timeless Tote Bag. So this must be just the base purse right here. So I got these, and it comes with tassel die. That's cute. I got the layers. Oh no, this is the petite pocketbook. So I got this one, and I did get the layers. Here are the layers. And I got this thing. That's my son. When I picked the bundle, I really just said, here, get the bundle, and that's it. I did not know that it was going to come with this piece. So I got it, and I'm going to try it out. I may do a purse or two for my craft fair that's coming up in the next couple of weeks. And I got this little thing for free. I don't know why I chose it. I think it's cute, though. I don't know. But the only thing is, I wouldn't know what to sell it for, because if I did this, I would make the 4x6 traveler's notebook to go in this and see how they sell. I don't know. I don't even know what I would even charge for something like that. So if I decide to do that, I will let you guys know, of course. And like always, or as always, I'll be asking you for your help on pricing. Okay? So guys, that's my very short haul video. I would like to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, little bugs.